Besties, come spend a day with your favorite bestie girl. So, girls, today me and my mama went to the lottery, girl, and then we went to Wendy's, girl, because y'all know they got these new like barbecue nuggets and their little like pull apart dough thing, girl. I tried the pull apart dough thing, girl, and it was okay, girl. And then we had tried them new Dunkin' drinks, girl. That s'mores drink was the bomb, bestie. And then we had stopped by Tree, girl, because I'm still trying to find like some new like Dollar Tree dupes, bestie. Bestie, they had like some cute cups, and I did end up finding like some of like the finds, bestie. But girl, then we headed right on to Wally World, girl, because we had some stuff to get, girl. I was like looking around because they got these new like native body washes at like Walmart, bestie, but I could not find it, girl. And then I had to stop by the clearance aisle, girl, because sometimes Walmart like clearance section be clearance, girl. And then I found me like a Pride flag on sale for like $2, because y'all know Pride month is like ending and stuff, girly. For $2, Bessie, that was not bad. But girl, and then I had got me some more like CeraVe face lotion, girl, cause yeah, and then I had some like honey, bestie, and then I had got home, bestie. Bye, bestie.